What's up guys, I'm Winchester. Today we're on Keydrop and we got $30,000 balance guys. Welcome to my video. Before the video guys, as you can see we have a giveaway. We are giving you $230 worth of Versus Snap Ultraviolet, $130 worth of Novision App Ultraviolet, and $100 worth of AVP Asimo. So if you wanna join this giveaway, copy that my code. As you can see it's Winchester and deposit minimum $5. After that you can join my giveaway. Don't forget to click here and use my code Winchester. It gives you 20% deposit bonus also. So let's go now video. Let's create a case battle. Create one, 2 versus 2. So I will try Anders case 15 times, Mantis case 15 times. $4,000. Let's create it. Let's summon the bots. Let's go. Let's go. Kick off him, then a wildfire. Okay, kick confirmed. Kick off, then a Chantico's fire. $250 before you got it. AP wildfire. We got a case hardened AK, 270. That's good. Wildfires. They got a falchion knife, Doppler phase 3. That's a good one. And a shadow daggers now. Oh my god, they got bayonets lower, $650. Wildfire and the Chanticos. AK-47 Vulcan, $360. That's good. We are on behind $1,000. We got a shadow daggers here. Okay, moving off fade, they got it 600. $87. Shut off Dragonfires, 3030. Moving off here, Tiger 2, 370. SSGs, same items. Though they got a glow $500. That's bad. Wildfire. Shadow Daggers, small buffet, $250. We got this one. Okay, they got Wildfire, 250. AK-47. Now Rider, $63. Wildfire, Shanty Goes. SSGs here. And the last one. Yeah, we lost this unfortunately. That was a loss. Relax time for $250. 5 times less great. Open it, bro. Okay, this one is good. $2,000 total, $3,000. We got it. Nice. Let's open again. Okay, this time the bad items now. 500. I will go to the upgrade now. Let's choose the items. Okay. On the right side, Doppler commits, and we didn't get it. Yeah. Let's try this one. Butterfly and have gamma Doppler on the right side with 45%, and we didn't get this too. Oh my god. We got it. We got it. We got it. Nice, bro. That was good. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.